Hi, Saner.AI is like ChatGPT for your notes and tasks. An Ask AI feature is where you can do all of that. Let me show you how. First, to open it, go to the top left corner of the app and click Ask AI. That drops you straight into the chat. At the top, you will see a few AI suggested prompts. These are quick ideas based on what you've been working on. For example, it suggests me to list all of tasks I have scheduled for today, what are the common themes and feedback from customer for Saner.ai feature, etc. It will have you spark new ideas for your day. And below that is the chat box. This is where you can ask AI to search your idea, brand them to create tasks, or plan your day. You can even paste a screenshot directly into the chat and ask about them. And if typing feels slow, you can just talk. To do that, you can click the micro button right here and speak, and your words turn straight into text. Let me try it. Hey, I need to call Jacques at 3 p.m. Create a reminder on that for me. Then, at the bottom left, you can choose which AI models you want to use. For example, when you click here, you can see there are many models. You can choose between Sky or online search or GPT, Claude, or Gemini, etc. And right next to that, there's the context selector. With this, you can choose specific notes, folders, or emails, or even images. And the AI answers are based solely on your selected context, not the entire workspace. Here you can click the select button, and yes, you can choose folders you want the AI to get the context from and click confirm. Then, by default, Ask AI use the deep thinking mode for more thoughtful responses. But if you want something faster, you can switch that to the fast mode instantly with this button right here. Okay, when AI replies, you can save the response as a note. You can copy it anywhere or regenerate it with another model or give feedback. For example, you can turn this message into a note with this button as you see right here. Or you can copy it or you can regenerate it with another model right here. Finally, if the AI suggests edits to your notes or task, nothing will change automatically. You have to click the apply all button for the suggestion to take effect. That's generally how you can start using AI to manage your notes and to-dos on Saner. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime.